How to transfer WhatsApp data from one Gmail account to another on Android. This tutorial shows you how to switch your WhatsApp backup to a different Google account. First, open the WhatsApp app on your Android device and tap the three dots at the top right corner and go into Settings. After that, tap on Chats and then tap on Chat Backup to open the backup settings. From there, tap on Google Account to see which account your backups are currently being saved to. At this point, tap on Add Account to link a new Google account for your backups. In the next step, give it a moment to load and then enter the email address of the new Google account you want to use. Following this, tap Next and enter the password for that account in the field provided. Once done, follow any additional on-screen prompts to finish signing into the account and tap Next to proceed through each step. From here, once the new account is added, it will appear as your selected backup account in the Google account section. At this stage, tap Backup Now to immediately start a fresh backup under the new Gmail account. Finally, all your future WhatsApp backups will now be saved to the new Google account instead of the old one going forward. And that's it. If this guide helped you transfer your WhatsApp backup to a new Gmail account on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more WhatsApp tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.